Hey, 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 good morning, everybody. It is an exciting day out there in the world, that's for sure. Last night we had a bit of Schumann activity. As you can see, we had some activation overnight around 30 hertz, and we had a little break in the feed. Usually, when I see these, it indicates some sort of timeline shift, but we'll see, I suppose. Could just be Russia messing with us or, a technical error, so I can't prove that. We have an equatorial Earth-facing mass hole on the sun. This is a big deal because those solar winds cause earthquakes and also magnetic storms. So it's likely we're going to get one tomorrow or between now and tomorrow. The solar wind speed is really high at the moment, which is like 550, normal is 300. So that brings all of this at us faster than it would be coming anyway, and it may have some of that proton density like that storm before, and we're due to get some magnetic storms this weekend as well. So do everything you can to stay rested, hydrated, well nourished. Do some mindfulness. All of those things will help you to be a little more resilient when this is going on. And if you're having intense geomagnetic storm reactions, getting in a bathtub or any body of water helps, and putting your feet in sand. I know everybody talks about earthing, but sand is better than grass and dirt because of the silica. I know silica is something that you can take as a supplement, I believe. So I'm doing some research on that, and I may experiment on myself for all y'all because I've conquered most of the other effects and they don't impact me as much anymore, but the geomagnetic storms still kick my butt. Another effect of geomagnetic storms and coronal mass holes that I don't know if they just haven't made the connection or they don't pay attention or they don't care, but we always have more earthquakes when there's a coronal mass hole and fast solar wind. That's not a particularly high number, but it's higher than the usual 30-ish we get a day. And for some reason, this Reykjaness, I'm probably not saying that right, ridge, has had dozens in the last few days. And it's in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean between the US and, well, actually more between Canada and the UK. So I'm not sure what's going on with that part of the ocean. But at any rate, we're seeing those elevated earthquake numbers. So you know that we are getting more energy directed at Earth. This is a model that they use to predict magnetic storms, and it shows density on the top and velocity on the bottom, and the brighter the color, the closer to red, the more intense. So we are going to get grazed with some magnetic storm energy.